Demers Ambulance is a designer and manufacturer of ambulances. We are the second largest manufacturer of ambulance products in North America, of which we offer products built on the Mercedes-Benz Van. Our partnership with Mercedes-Benz started out very strong, and it has not diminished over the last 10 years. And it truly is a partnership to support us as a manufacturer and upfitter, but more importantly, our end customers. It's the first responders and their vehicle fleet that our products are used in.
The life of a paramedic is not always lights and sirens and high intensity and high crisis. When it does happen, then of course, there's this heightened sense of needing to be very in tune with everything going on around you. When you're operating a large vehicle like this, that vehicle is the key tool in the success or failure in being able to do that properly.
The business that we are in is one that is supporting our fellow citizens in the communities at a time when they're the most vulnerable. And to see our product playing an intricate role, I take great honor and pride, as I know our employees do.
Niagara EMS deliver care to over 60,000 patients a year in the Niagara region. So working very closely with Mercedes-Benz and with Demers, we've been able to produce a product based on learned and lived experiences, as well as understanding what the future is going to hold, to be able to deliver a high quality fleet for our community in Niagara.